Peel off the outer layer of the mango. Maaari nyo gamitin ng peeler o kutsilyo. But, mas madali at simple kung gamitin nyo ng peeler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Di ba? No sweat. Siguraduhin na hugasan mga ito kasi baka may dakta pa. Ang mga dakta kasi nakakasunog ng balat yan. Before natin islice ang mga mangga, siguraduhin natin na ang working area ay maayos at malinis. Be careful when you slice the mangoes, especially if your knife is sharp. Just continue slicing until all the mangoes or peeled mangoes are done. Parang naglalaro lang but this is what we call culinary arts. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa first part ng proseso. Ngunit, before tayo mag-proceed doon sa second part ng proseso, ayusin muna natin itong mga sliced mangoes so that this will be ready to mix with the solution later. Ngayon, let's prepare the solution. 1 glass of water, tapos vinegar, about 2 tablespoons, just enough to preserve the pickles. Then about 1 tablespoon of salt, some peppercorn and ground black pepper, powdered turmeric, but you can also use powdered ginger, powdered oregano, and white sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Mix the solution until all the ingredients are combined. Then simmer the solution for 1 minute. While waiting for it to be cooked, prepare the garlic. Use 1 clove preferably, then peel off its skin. Continue the process until all the teeth of the bulb are done. At hiwain lahat mga ito. Dagdagan din ng sili para may kick din ang lasa. Add also 1 onion. You can use any, but I prefer the white one. Slice it thinly. Check the solution and let it cool. Then if you can dip your finger into the solution, therefore you can already add the other ingredients. Sili, ang garlic, at ang onions. Isok mga ito ng maigi para ma-absorb sa solution. Kung malamig ng solution, pwede na ito i-mix sa sliced mangoes. Spread out lang sa ibabaw ng mangga. Haluin ng haluin para even ang distribution ng solution doon sa sliced mangoes. Ayan na, the pickled mango.